To apply for admission to Heidelberg University, you must submit an online application, provide academic records, proof of language proficiency, and, depending on your program, additional documents such as recommendation letters or standardized test scores. International students should also prepare for visa and residence permit requirements. 1. Research your program. Visit Heidelberg University's official website and check program-specific requirements. Confirm whether your chosen program is bachelor's, master's, or PhD. Note that all programs are access-restricted, competitive entry. 2. Prepare required documents. Completed online application form via Heidelberg portal or Common App for some programs. Copy of passport, valid for the duration of studies. Academic transcripts. For US schools, official sealed transcripts sent directly. For non-US schools, submit records to education. Credential evaluators, ECE. Proof of language proficiency. English, TOEFL, IELTS, or equivalent. German, TestDaF, DSH, or equivalent, depending on program language. Optional but recommended. Personal statement, CV, recommendation letters. For master's programs, proof of completed bachelor's degree. 3. Submit application. Apply online through Heidelberg University's portal. Pay any application fees, if applicable. Double check. Deadlines, usually mid-July, for winter semester and mid-January for summer semester. 4. Admission decision. After submission, decisions are typically made within 1 week for undergraduate programs. Master's and PhD programs may take longer due to faculty review. 5. Visa and residence permit. If you are a non-EU student, apply for a student visa at the German embassy in Bangladesh. Upon arrival, register for a residence permit in Heidelberg. 6. Enrollment after acceptance. Once admitted, complete enrollment formalities. Submit original documents. Pay semester fees, around 150 to 170 euros per semester. Register for courses. Important things to do. Check deadlines early, they vary by program. Verify language requirements. Many programs are in German. Prepare financial proof, bank statement or scholarship confirmation for visa. Arrange housing in Heidelberg before arrival. Keep copies of all documents for embassy and university use. Quick. 1. Research program requirements on Heidelberg University website. 2. Prepare documents, passport, transcripts, proof of language proficiency, personal statement, recommendation letters. 3. Submit online application before deadline. 4. Wait for admission decision, usually 1 week for undergrad. 5. Apply for German student visa and residence permit. 6. After acceptance, enroll by submitting originals, paying semester fees, and registering for courses. 7. Arrange housing and financial proof before arrival.